Yes! What's up, winners? It's Ivan here. Do you remember this?
As long as price is above 71.60, we are bullish. And I want it to be above 30.60. New Zealand still didn't tap above 67. I want 67 to be hit.
Did you join my webinar on 4th of November when I said if price breaks above here, I would start buying? And of course, did you make profits? Please write that in the comment section. I would love to hear your story. Were you one of them that had the market reaction correct? I'm going to go through the process that I had personally with my mentorship students, but also with this YouTube community. I had one theory that US dollar will weaken and yen will weaken. I gave my mentorship student a PowerPoint presentation and a PDF ahead of election day. It was describing 4 scenarios. If Trump won, but also won the House and the Senate, or if he won, but won only the Senate or only the House as a split. The same thing with Biden, if he won or also won both House and Senate, but also if there was a split between only winning the House or the Senate. I also said to them, take down the risk, don't trade if you're not comfortable, and I gave them 4 technical trading ideas that would be likely outcome of the market reaction.
In addition to that, I also mentioned which state was important to look out for, which currency pair that would move and which to look out for, and also the market reaction before the results, during the results, after 24 hours, and in the past 2 weeks.
For the YouTube community, I was live 1st of November, 4th of November, that's the day after the election, and 4th of November, preparing, executing, and following up the trade plan that I have with you. I provided trade plans for Australian dollar, US dollar, Euro dollar, Euro USD, Pound USD, and New Zealand USD. In this year's US election, the market has been waiting all the way since 1st of August. It has been between the President Donald Trump and Vice President Joe Biden. Joe Biden was leading on an average of 5% in the polls ahead of the election. But as we all saw, it was tight. And during the night of the election, we changed from Biden leading to Trump leading, and then in the following day, Biden went back to the lead. So we have market reaction where market reacted bearish US dollar when Biden was leading and bullish dollar when Trump was leading. So we had up, down, up on the EURUSD. The day after the election, I created trade plans for the major currency pairs I just mentioned with a box. If it breaks above this box, I will start engaging. So, how did it go? For the election night, it was quite intense. I had, 5 orders in. I lost a total of 0.05%, so very small, very little, but it was intense, it was exciting, it was fun, so it was a good experience. I'm glad I did it.
The moment of truth is here. What was really my plan? I wanted to trade small on the election night. I wanted to take 30% off at monthly take profit. I wanted to take 30% off if it went bearish again, and I would take the rest 30, and if it basically came down to the same price again. So how did it really go? For Australian dollar, I said 71.60, right? So let's see how that went. Oh, we have a new high. Coming back to price. There is your entry. Order is now engaged. Let's see what happens. We go up. Oh, profits. Oh, look at that. That is amazing profits. Straight off this price all the way up to 73.40. nothing to complain about. So for Australian dollar, US dollar, we are actually so far still running, alive, kicking 157 pips. Though we took 30% off here, and I did something here as well because I didn't like that. So I still have a 30% in from the start. But we still have profits in, and we're still rising. So let's get some more pairs. This is like birthday and Christmas and New Year's all in ones. All those profits. Well, let's see how that went. For euro, I said about 17.20. Yes. Let's see how that went. Buying. Oh, price went a bit up. That's an order. Coming in. Coming in. Oh, yeah. Up to 1840 now. Higher. How did it go? All the way to 1900. Ding, 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 ding. Ding. Because on EURUSD, I said 1890. I said 1890, right? That's my profit target. Yeah. We all like some profit targets. So I said 30.60 on pound dollar, right? Well, let's see how that went. Going up, going up, going up, going up. Oh, oh, oh. 133. That's amazing. That's amazing. Oh, falls down again. Was that the profit target? That was the profit target. Oh, goes back down again. That's a new chance to get more profits. Oh, it goes up again. And we are now up at 32.90. We are up now at this moment 230 pips on that. Let's go to the next one. Last but not least, New Zealand dollar 67.00. Did we go up? Did we go down? Let's say that. Oh, it goes up. Oh, there was an order there. It was ahead. It was engaged. And we're going higher. We're going higher. Oh, what's going on? Amazing. And we even today made a new high. Whoop, whoop. The pips that we have been collecting just from one order. Well, we have been buying every single day. This one has been rising, so there's more than one. I have been personally up 3,000 pips or even more. It happens when you have too much. So 246 at this very moment. That is combined, as far as I know, above 750 pips off my head. So if you want to go back to this video, cool. But that's a lot of pips.
Why am I even making this video? What is the purpose? Is to show you that if you were there live 4th of November, I had already planned for you. I've already found a strategy for you. I've already found a bias for you. It was just to execute. And now, 16 days later, we have lots of profits. My profits, my results only speaks for myself, but I'm immensely proud of my mentorship students and those who executed on the plan. I just want you to be planning, having a strategy, having a bias, buying at support when you are in an uptrend, selling at resistance when you are in a downtrend. It's not about being right or being wrong, but it's about following your plan, following your strategy, and executing when you have the right market conditions. We clearly had. In the final remarks, I said to my mentorship students in the PowerPoint, I said, expect the trend to be until the end of the year. So it's not done, it's not over, there's still more to come. I expect to buy every pullback as long as price is at support. Election day is not the most important day, it is the days, weeks after. And it is. Election day was just a volatility event just for that day. Didn't gain much, but now, look at us. Most important pullback is either at Asia or at London Open. And therefore, that's when you have to be ready. I also expect a fast-moving market, which we have gotten, and we might also get more of it. So train yourself for fast-moving markets. So I am immensely proud of my mentorship students. I'm immensely proud of the people in the live that has executing on the plan. And, well, there's only more profits to be collected, so let's go.